Today we're making smoked pork chops. We're busting out our smokers. I'm gonna use my Traeger, friends. So in my bowl, I'm gonna put in some coconut sugar to start. And then we're gonna just use some basic spices. So we're going in with some garlic powder, probably around a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then we're gonna get our onion powder. Huge fan of onion, is one of my favorite, absolute favorite flavors. Add in some paprika. Just gonna stir this. I'm not even gonna add any salt and pepper to this. So as you can see, it looks like it's gonna be just enough for what we're doing with the pork chops. So for the pork chops, I've got these boneless, nice and thick pork chops. And so I'm gonna just place them in here, and we're gonna do, let's see, we're gonna do 4 of them. And really what I'm looking to do is just make sure we're coating all sides of it. Really get like this rub going. You can wear gloves if you want. Me, I don't care so much. But we're gonna use our smoker. I used it last night to make some chicken wings. I will link that video up above if you want to check that out afterwards. It's definitely one you want to make. And I haven't really used my Traeger that much this year, but we're about to change that. I have a couple of extra pork chops, so I think we're gonna just keep going. The addition of the coconut sugar is really gonna give this a nice flavor. It's not really gonna make it sweet, it's just gonna balance it out because the onion and the garlic is very savory, so then we have the coconut sugar to hit it with like a little bit of sweet. So we're really just looking to coat all the sides of it so it looks good. And now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna wash my hands first. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take these pork chops and I'm gonna just put them in the fridge for now. And then we're gonna be able to put them on the smoker once the smoker's ready. So now what we need to do is get the Traeger started because it's gonna take about 30 minutes for it to really warm up. We're gonna do 275. So let's go out on my patio and let's see how we're gonna get this done. It's gonna be delicious. So now we're out here by my grill, and the first thing we need to do is ensure that it's turned on. So right back here, I've got it plugged in, and I'm making sure that the button is on. So let me show you. You come with me, shall you? It's this button right here. Make sure that that is turned on, because it is no bueno if you can't start your grill. So once, get you all set up so that you can see me, okay? Once that's like that, we need to open the grill. This is very important. Do not skip this step because you don't want this blowing up, right? So we're gonna open up the grill. Then we're gonna come down over here, okay? And I'm gonna push it in once to activate this. Now I'm gonna set the temperature to 275, okay? Then you press and hold ignite. Oh, press the dial first to get the temperature. You gotta make sure you press the dial first. Okay, now it's ignited. So now we just need to wait for the grill to warm up. While we're doing that, let's make some, well, actually, we're not gonna do that in this video, but I am gonna make some Instant Pot mashed potatoes that are dairy-free because I'm dairy-free and that's how I roll. So if you wanna see that, when the video comes out, if it's not already out now, I will link it. Otherwise, you'll just have to wait. But if you love mashed potatoes that have dairy, I'll link that video below because I do have that. So now, oh, I tripped over my pants. So now we're just waiting, and essentially we're waiting to see smoke start rolling off. For being November, it is absolutely beautiful out. Whereabouts in the world are you? I would love to know in the comments below. And if you're watching this in November, are you wearing a tank top outside? Because I am. I love it. So now we wait. I did forget to mention we always have to check the pellets because if we don't have enough pellets, we're in some big trouble. So let's check our pellets. Yep. So as you could see, there's no pellets in there. So let's grab some pellets. You can see the smoke is starting to roll off of this baby. So we're using these pellets today. They're super tasty. Well, I'm not eating the pellets. I just like the way the food tastes. Now that there's a beautiful sight when you see smoke rolling off of it. Now we're just gonna wait until the grill gets the temperature. It's at 75 degrees now, and I have it set to 275, so my phone will let me know when that happens. So we can now go inside and do something else. I absolutely love being able to just go with the flow. Let's see what this one does. Oh. I think it's worth buying an ND filter. Let's get me positioned. Okay, so the alarm just went off. So now I gotta go get the pork chops inside. So I'm gonna grab the pork chops and we're gonna put them in. So we've got our delicious smelling pork chops. These look amazing. And I had a couple of extra pork chops, so I think I'm actually gonna throw those on also, maybe with a slightly different seasoning. So I'm gonna go grab those other pork chops and just do some basic salt, pepper, and garlic and throw those on the smoker also. So these I just seasoned very plainly with some garlic powder, some salt and pepper to both sides. And actually my husband prefers things that are slightly more plain. So now I'm just gonna add these to the grill also. Because remember, what's really gonna give it the flavor, like the delicious flavor, is the fact that we're smoking it. So my Traeger comes with this handy meat thermometer, and I actually really like this because it gets attached to my app. So what we need to do is thread this straight through here, and I'm gonna show you. Now we're gonna plug this end into the thickest part. Actually gonna do it sideways. Okay. Then you just plug it in right here. Now I'm gonna set the probe alarm. 145, that's perfect. That's what we want. We're probably gonna come and rotate it in about half an hour, so I will have Alexa inside set a timer. Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes.
Good afternoon, 20 minutes. Start now.
We're so spoiled in this day and age. So it's been about 25 minutes and we're gonna just check this. And I'm actually gonna flip it over, flip everything over. Ooh. Oh wow, you've got to come check this out. So, the probe just reached 145 degrees. I am super pumped about these pork chops. Shall we look and see what they look like? Oh, you know I gotta bring you over here because they look so good. Come on, come with me. Wowzer. These look incredible. So I'm gonna put all of the ones that have the seasoning on them the way that we did them with the sugar. I'm gonna put them on one side and this a beauty right here. Then I'm gonna put the other ones, the more simple ones, right over here. Oh my goodness, these look amazing. If you enjoyed today's super easy smoking pork chops, smoking hot pork chops, deliciously delicious pork chops on the Traeger, whatever kind of smoker you've got, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps to share the love with as many folks as possible. Come back for more videos and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.